clones open up!
Everybody,
Yay!
put your hand up in there.
Put your hands up in the air. This song. I can see the stars all the way from here. Can you see the glow on the window pane?
I can feel the sun whenever you're near.
Wow, easy.
And every time you touch me, I just melt away. Now everybody asks me why I'm smiling out from ear to ear. But I know, oh, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it. Driving through my tears.
Sige.
Finally you put me back. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. Know that it's your heart. You're the one I can always call when I need you and everything's up. Finally,
Bring it
you put my love
down.
on
Bring it
top.
down. Parang request ko lang mag-solo si Maine.
Ay, pamalo pa.
Sa Baby It's You. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo.
Ano naman?
Baby It's You.
Baby, it's you.
Ayan, ayan.
Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives your all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top, baby, 'cause you're the one I love. Baby, you're the one I need.
Palakpakan nyo, Mendoza!
Uwi na naman yan eh.
Kamara, simulan na natin ang kantahan ng may instant pa premyo at present din sa kantahan ng mga clones natin.
Yeah! At Team Studio, mga VIP natin na pwedeng maglaro at panalo!
VIPs, are you ready? Hanap na tayo
Let's
ng
go!
VIP!
Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. The only one I see.
What?
Come on, baby, it's you.
Ano ba?
Oh, oy!
Ayun, ikaw nga, it's you!
Ay, kilala ko yan eh. Bisita ko yan.
Ano?
Kapatid yan ni Coach Oliver Almadro.
Ay, ay, taray.
Pati yung wife niya.
Aba, halika dito.
Hi, doon po sa gitna.
Anong
Hi.
pangalan nyo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Marian po sa umaga.
Maria.
Marian
Sa
sa umaga
tanghaling
sa
sapat.
gabi.
Rain.
Ha?
Rain.
Brain. Galing silang Las Vegas.
Oh.
At magaling siyang kumanta. Sayang. Anong kanta?
Alone.
Ay,
So
alone.
mag-isa siya.
Oh, ayan. Rain.
Alone. Alone.
Mamalan ba yun?
Ah, iba. Sorry.
Anong alone ba? Oh, Malonda, Riles.
Maiba rin yun.
Sorry. Sino bang alone yan?
Alone and winding road.
Ganon. Sa chorus, yung mataas na. Oo.
Till now, I always got by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone?
Tama nga si Coach. Ang galing mo nga
Thank you
kumanta.
po.
Eto na mamala, simulan na natin ang game.
Game 1.
A or B tayo ngayon. Mga Dabarkads, eto, Rain, pakinggan mo si Rochelle Santos, the clone of Dulce.
Dulce.
Saan nagsimulang magbago ang lahat? Kailan nung ako di na naging sapat? Ba't di mo sinabi nung una pa lang? Saan nakulang ang aking pagmamahal? Lahat ng binigay ko, mapangiti ka lang. Ba't di mo nakita na ayaw mo na ako ang kasama? Pero hanap mo siya. At kung masaya ka sa piling niya, hindi ko na pipilit pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya, huwag kang paluhain at talagang ang kanya.
Yo, bro.
What's up, bro? Ang pogi niyo, bossing.
Ay, nagiging babae. Ang pogi mo raw, boss.
Pogi! Nakakabakla.
A or B? Sa anong taon nanalo ng Song of the Year sa Awit Awards ang kantang Paubaya ni Moira? A. 2021 or B. 2022? A or B? 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Taon ng hapon.
Tinuro pa eh. Dito ako.
Saan ang punta? Sabi.
Sabi, bossing, 2022.
2022. Tignan natin. Tama kaya siya. Check or X?
Ay, rain. Rain gently falls. Hey! Oh! Sabi ko sure ka doon. Wild guess.
Thank you po.
2022. Tama.
Pili.
Pili po kayo ng tip. Nandiyan si Mahal,
Pili
si
ka.
Karen, or si Riza May.
Pero wag mo munang buksan.
Pag mo munang buksan, doon muna sa airport. Thank you very much.
Dasalan mo muna doon sa gilid.
Next, VIP Steam Studio!
Baby, it's you.
You're the one.
I love. You're the one.
Shout out, Mami Leti Rubio.
One I see. Come on,
baby, it's you.
Wanna get to us.
Ay.
Ay, ay.
Saan yun?
Halika ate, bumaba ka dyan.
Kayo po. Ayan. Hinahanap ko yung mukhang manika. Eh. Halika na.
Manika naman ah.
Oo. Tingnan natin kung may nakatusok pang karayo.
Uy, hindi makukulat yan.
Halika po dito. Ang ganda.
Mami, ano ho pangalan ninyo?
Ano po pangalan ninyo?
Lolita Tayamora.
Lolita.
Lolita.
Parang manika.
Taga saan kayo?
Gentry po.
General Trias
Cavite.
Cavite. Mga Zumba ladies.
Yan.
Okay, maglaro tayo.
Ito na po ang inyong Game 2.
Akala ko maglaro tayo ng biko. Mami Lolita, A or B? Ito na po, Dabarkat, si June Ral Gambang ang clone ni Steve Barry.
I have climbed highest mountains. I have run through the fields only to be with you. Only to be with you. I have run
or B? Sana nakinig ka doon sa lyrics. Sabi sa kanta, I have blank these city walls. A, built, or B, scaled. 10 seconds to decide, A or B.
Built
Timer
or
starts now.
Hindi po kayo A, B,
I
or...
have blank these city walls. Sabi niya, I built.
Built.
Tama kaya? Alamin natin, check or X?
Panalo sa sigaw.
Right.
Sumigaw kasi kayo eh.
Padinig mo nga ulit, Steve.
I have run, I have crawled, I have scaled these city walls.
Skilled nga, bossing.
Thank you, Jurel.
Skilled. Thank you, at Lolita. At shout out kay si Johnny Lee.
Si Johnny Lee, ayan o. Si Kuya
Dinalaw
Salvador.
tayo.
Kuya Salvador
Salvador.
Calipim, ang clone ni Johnny Lee.
Ng Pangasinan.
Shara, Shara.
Thank you, sa pagbisita sa amin, Kuya.
Johnny, Johnny, yes,
Mismo.
Yes, bossing. Our favorite. Kuha pa tayo sa pang VIP.
Let's go, Team Studio!
Let's go!
Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need.
Nakakinoon niyo pala si Johnny Lee.
Sino yun?
Hoy, Miss Blue Bands.
Hi.
Aba.
Ang ganda ng...
Ang ganda niyang babae. No, ano pangalan mo?
Sampo.
Sam?
Sam.
Sampo? Saan yung pang Siyam?
Hindi. Saan ka, Mama? Saan?
Taga saan kayo?
Where you from?
Taga Taytay Rizal.
Taytay Rizal. Ano ba to? Totoo ba tong kulay ng buhok
Opo.
mo? Talagang pinagawa mo?
Opo.
Ano bang racket
Mama,
mo
alam
sa
wag mga
buhay?
ganun yung tanong, baka tanungin din sa iyo.
Yung sa'yo ba?
Grabe.
ano, nag-aaral ka? Nagtatrabaho?
Working na po.
Working na. You work as what?
Private employee po sa isang software development company
Oo,
sa
ang haba
Europe
ng
po.
trabaho mo. Ayan mo na.
Private.
Ito na, ang Game 3.
True or false tayo, Sam? Mga dapat ka, ito na si Lucky Robles, ang clone ni Gary V.
Once in your life you found her, somewhere to throw your heart around, and next thing you know you're closing down the town. Wake up and it's still with you, even though you're left way across town, wondering to yourself, hey, have I found? When you get caught between the moon and New York City, I know it's crazy, but it's true. If you get caught between the moon and New York City, the best that you can do, the best that you can do is fall in love. I know it's crazy, but it's true. If you get caught between the moon and New York City, the best that you can do, the best that you can do is fall in love.
True or false? Nakuha ng Arthur's Theme ang Best Original Song sa Academy Awards at Golden Globes noong 1980 para sa movie na Arthur. Is it true or false?
Patay.
10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Di pa rin siya pinapanganak.
Nagreklamo siya, hindi pa nga ako pinapanganak mo.
Pwede bang magpalit? Pwede bang palit?
Ay, naku, hindi
Ang
pa
cute
rin.
ni Sam.
Papalit sana eh, no? Pero,
Opo, hindi
Science.
sumunod po.
sabi niya ay false. Check or X?
Ay, Bob.
Sayang naman.
What?
At!
Ay, tama!
Correct!
Hindi naman kasi 1980.
Kailan po ba? Boss?
Ano?
1982.
Oh!
Nanalo siya
Christopher
1982.
Cross.
Galing.
Okay,
Hindi
panalo
na
ka.
nga
Kuha ka
dapat.
ng tip kay Miles o kay Riza.
Kay Miles po.
Yan. Halika dito,
Tapos
Sam.
tawagin
Halika
natin
dito.
Okay.
Sam and
Yan.
Rain.
And Rain, dito na kayo.
Tingnan natin kung sino may pinakamataas na tip sa inyo.
Bali magsasabo
Buksan
na
natin. Sabay.
Wow, sabay.
In 3, 2, 1.
Pak. Yay!
Uy, si Rain! 10,000 for you.
Thank you, Sam.
Sam, thank you very much. Eto na, Rain. Ang sarap naman ng bakasyon. Huwag kailan ka babalik ng Las Vegas?
Malaki na
January
kinikita niyo sa
21st.
itsura.
Oo nga.
Tama po si
Swerte.
Pinsan niya si Meldy.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
Eto
yan,
na.
Pwede maging 30,000 pesos yan. Eto na ang bonus round.
Dito sa bonus round, makinig kang mabuti sa mga close performers. Pakilala mo yung una. Gusto mo
Ang
eh.
ating first concert artist natin, ang clone ni Steve Perry.
Oh, her eyes, make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair flows perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I say. But every time she asks me to, I look okay. I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah.
Ang next concert artist natin, ang clone ni Gary V.
Don't go changing to try and please me. You never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. I will not leave you in times of trouble. You never could have come this far. Ooh, I took the good times, I'll take the bad times, I'll take you just the way you are. Whoa, whoa.
For the bonus, true or false? Mali. Yes or no?
Yan.
Okay.
Yan.
Madali naman akong kausap. Yes or no? Pareho ba ang title ng mga kinanta ng clones ni na Steve Perry at Gary V? Yun lang ang tanong. Pareho ba ang title? Yes or no? 10 seconds for the bonus. Timer starts now.
Now,
Go, Rain.
10 seconds.
Ano yan? Hula
until
lang ba yan?
Tipo
Wild
takes
guess ba
lead.
yan? Ayun. Bago isip.
Ay, nako! Ano ba?
Iniwanan.
Ba't
Iniwanan
ka nang
si
palit ng
Ray.
is? Nasa noon
Lumipat.
Nasa nuna, tumakbo pa, bossy. Ba't ka tumakbo?
Ay.
Parang ano eh. Parang it's the same.
Parang it's
Parang the same. Oh, tingnan natin. The same nga. Checker X. Just the way you are.
Okay, may hindi niyang ganun. Tama ka!
Congratulations, Rain. Mag-uwi ka na.
30,000 pesos! Basta pa na close open concert na may mapremyo pa.